I paint what the soul remembers. Before I ever touch the canvas, I sit with what is already speaking to me. I look through my old paintings, my painted papers, my charcoal sketches, and the marks I've made when I wasn't even sure what they meant at that point. These pieces have all become like a map for me. They remind me of where I've been, what I felt, how I survived, and what my soul is still trying to say. I don't begin with a perfect plan. I begin by listening. I study the textures, the lines, the interruptions, the quiet places, the places that still feel unfinished. Then slowly, something begins to rise. It's like a memory, a feeling, a color, a mark. And then I finally stand before the canvas. I'm not just painting what I see, I'm painting what has been within me all this time. I'm painting the memories, the prayers, the silence, the grief, the beauty, and the healing, because for me, it's not just a painting. It's evidence that the soul still remembers. I thought that I would start with some marks on paper because many times it's those papers that I put into my artwork and my paintings that give me the inspiration to like make the next marks. So I'm going to be doing some marks on some of the medical exam paper that just kind of melds into the paintings and on some other papers, looking at other papers, some different things to kind of get me started. I thought I would pop in here and just kind of tell you what I'm doing. These are 12 by 16 inch canvases, as I mentioned, that they were not very expensive canvases, that I did some, if there was leftover paint, I just put them on these canvases. So I didn't waste the paint. And layers on the canvases always just turn out beautiful. You don't have to have really expensive linen canvases to have a beautiful painting. And what I'm feeling here, I'm having a rough couple days. My dad's not doing well. I've mentioned him before, and he's in congestive heart failure. And I'm just emotional today, and I'm just painting because it's healing. And I wanted to do a YouTube video, but I wanted to turn the camera on because painting, a lot of times, what is within your soul, and when you're hurting or when you're sad or even when you're happy, I call it painting what the soul remembers. It's what's inside that comes out. And I love the way these paintings turned out. They may not be the most beautiful paintings, but they still have a lot of depth and a lot of emotion in them. So I'm using paint that is left over. It's kind of like a gray, black, very black, almost like paint. And I'm using some water and titanium white. And I'm sorry the painting is so low right there. But of course, I use my fingers and I use the pencil. I do the writing in here. So I'm going to turn the music back on. I just wanted to pop in here and tell you what size the canvas is and what type of canvas it is and the background of it. And so just enjoy. Again, a lot of times you don't have to have a beautiful painting as your outcome. In fact, when you don't think about it being a beautiful painting, that's when a lot of times the magic happens. You're painting from deep within. And that was the whole point of this video, was just to help walk you through painting, even when you're emotional and sad.